I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed into Windows and the Microsoft account used for purchases. Once signed in, open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Region and pick the country you want. Make sure to do this now because the store uses both Windows region and your Microsoft account country for listings. Changing Windows alone is only the first actionable step, and it prepares the system while you update the account information next. Next, change the Microsoft account country at Account. Microsoft.com. This is crucial because the store pulls your purchase region from your account profile. Once done, update your payment method and billing address to match the new country so purchases work. Then, clear the store cache by running WS Reset.exe and restart the store app. This forces it to refresh region-specific listings. Make sure to wait a minute after each change, so the server-side settings propagate. Finally, sign out of the Microsoft Store and sign back in to apply the new country settings. This completes the switch. Check app availability and verify your payment method inside the store app, and then restart your PC to ensure everything syncs. If the location still won't change, remove the Microsoft account from Windows, reboot, and re-add it. That forces a fresh sync. If that fails, contact Microsoft support, but removing and re-adding the account solves most stuck region problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.